How you doing? Thought I'd give you a rundown of my waste oil burner that I built, put in my shop. Pretty simple unit. Works really well, very efficient. Components were all fairly cheap. I don't have probably $100 in this stove, minus my time of building it. The hardest part I have now is finding oil, which hasn't been real trouble, but it's not the easiest. So what we got here is we've got a gas hot water heater, which I fabricated, built a door, put it on legs, secured it to the building. It's got a 4-inch piece of pipe that comes down with a 2-speed blower that came out of an old furnace. And a stovepipe, 6-inch stovepipe, single wall, inside the building, so I utilize some of the heat from the chimney. And I've got 1/4-inch copper line that comes down from a 20-gallon tank in the rafters with a shut-off valve at the tank. There's a shut-off valve at the heater and a needle valve to adjust the flow. I wrapped the 1/4-inch copper around the stovepipe to preheat it. I've read things where they say you don't need to use that, but it seems to work for me. I don't have any trouble. This thing's never clogged up or acted foolish in any way other than when I have water. I started it, I guess we fired it up about 10-15 minutes ago, and it's already up to around 400 degrees. I usually like to run it around 700 degrees, and at that rate it uses approximately 3 quarts an hour, maybe a little more, no more than that, than a gallon, but more towards 3 quarts. And I'll show you the actual burn. It's a 6-inch piece of 1/2-inch wall pipe with a 1/2-inch plate welded to the bottom, a 4-inch piece of pipe welded to that sets on a pedestal. I've got 4 1/2-inch holes drilled, and as you can see, it's burning very efficient, no smoke. It warms up very nicely. And we're approximately 400 degrees. So that's my oil burner in a nutshell. I heat a 40 by 25 building with insulated walls with no insulated ceilings. This is my bulk tank. I use a hand pump with a 5/8 piece of heater hose to fill it. Never had any luck with electric pumps, either too expensive for a good one or always had to be primed. There's nothing wrong with my arms, so I just pump it up there when it's needed. So that's my waste oil heater. Thanks for watching.